opportunity for a high-capacity, heavy-duty CNC 2-axis VTL. This Bullard machine has a 124-inch 4-jaw chuck, 127 inches height under the cross rail, 100 horsepower. The machine will swing an actual 140 inches. The Bullard received a control update in the year 2008 to a Seimens 802D CNC control. This is a shot of the freshly retrofitted Bardeck 2-axis drives. And here we have a brief shot of the Bardeck drive that controls the main spindle motor. The machine is equipped with a 100 horsepower DC drive with infinitely variable speeds up to 66 RPM in 2 geared ranges. This Bullard is equipped with a very nice chip guarding system, coolant, and chip removal system, making use of a turbo chip conveyor exiting to the left side of the machine at drum height. The Bullard CNC VTL has a Trabon automatic lubrication system. The tool carousel holds 16 tools. I'm showing a shot of the hardened cross rail on the machine, which is without a mark. The ball screws are in excellent condition. This 124-inch Chuck Bullard super high column CNC VTL is available for inspection under power by appointment please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com to see our new additions and our featured machines.